All right, guys, we have CRK. This stock right now is on the news today. Jerry Jones, the owner of the Dallas Cowboys, is betting on natural gas. The guy has a few different companies and he is betting on natural gas. And the reason why this company is rolling up today, ramping to the close, is because of Jerry Jones. But if you notice here on this blue line here of this nice trend, we can see this reclaim this areas of support a couple of times. Even here, we were not able to tap it, but it pulled from here. And if you notice around here, we had a gap up. So one of the things that I like about this company is that it's able to hold and reclaim the support each and every time. Right now we're trending very close to the 100 and the 50 period moving average. So if we are able to get over that, we can see this probably run. And now that Jerry Jones is talking about natural gas and how positive he thinks it is, this might be a good thing. If the market reacts in a positive way, we might be able to see this stock roll over and keep trending up. Now, as you notice here as well, we had also a trend that it's been holding. So I'm gonna be looking to see if we can break this level around here. But it's a very important level of resistance around here. Now that Jerry Jones came out on the news, it could be possible that we can break this level and make it run over this particular resistance. But I like the fact that the stock reclaims the area of support each and every time. And now we are trading on increasing volume, and Jerry Jones has some positive things to say about natural gas, and this company is involved with this kind of stuff. So I will be paying attention on this name over the next few days.